Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. How are you guys? Today we are going to start lesson 4, which is LCM, least common multiple. So in our today's lesson we are going to learn the least common multiple using three different methods. And thank you guys for watching and learning here. You guys are amazing and you're the best audience. So let's begin our today's session. So here is a question number 1, which is we have to find the least common multiple of 6, 16 and 18. Since the word itself says we have to find out the multiples of these numbers. So what are the multiples of 6? So we just need to write the times table of 6. So this is 6, 12, 18, 24. Okay, now how we came to know that for how long we have to keep on writing the times table? So we have to find the one number that is common among all of these three numbers, right? So let's just begin. So this is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay, once you reach 30, let's just stop here and move on to the next number. Now find the multiples of 16. So 16, 32. So from here we came to know that there is no such common up till here. Move on to the next number, 18, 18, 36. So we have 18 common in, we have 18 in 6, but we do not have 18 in 16, right? So now find the further multiples of 6. So then it will become 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Now it is up to you, it is up to your own choice that you would like to take the intervals of 20, 30, 40 or 50, right? Okay, so we have done writing the multiples of 6 up till 60. Now write the multiples after 32. So it's 48 and 64 and 80. Let's say we have written it up till 80. Still we do not have common numbers. Yes, we do have a common, which is 48. Let's see now we have a 48 in 18 or not. So 18, 36, 54, 72. So we do not have 48, right? So you have to keep on writing the multiples unless or until you will find a common value that is common in all these three numbers, 6, 16 and 18, right? So we have to keep on writing the multiples of 6. Okay, then up till 90. Is there any common number that we will get in all these three numbers up till 90? No. We do have a 90 in 6, we do have 90 in 18, but we do not have 90 in 16. Okay, let's keep on moving. Then 96, 100, 200, 800, 14, 120, 126, 132, 138 and 144. Next we have 96. Yes, we do have 96 here, we do have 96 here, but we do not have 96 in 18. So that's why we keep on increasing the numbers. So the number that we are having a common in all these three numbers is 144. See, once you reach up till here, you need not to write further numbers. So the LCM for the question 6, 16 and 18. So the least or the smallest number that is common in all these three multiples of these numbers is 144. Right? So this is our final answer. This is how you find the LCM using method 1. I hope you have got the concept. Let's move on to the method 2. So method 2 is finding the LCM by prime factorization. Now we have to factorize it. So start making factors of 6. Always start it with the times table 2. So 2 times what number is 6? 2 times 3 is 6. Now 3 comes in the times table of 2? No. So we have to increase the times table. So 3 times 1 is 3, right? So we have done writing the prime factors of 6. See, the factors we got are prime numbers. So that's why we named it as a prime factors. 16. So start it with 2. So 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2, right? Now 18. So 2 times 9 is 18. Then 9 does not come on a times table of 2, so that's why we increase the times table. So 3 times 3 is 9. Then 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, now we just need to write all these factors. So 2 times 3 is 6. Then we have 2 times 2 times 2 times. So there are 4 number of 2's. If you multiply them, multiply all of them together, you'll get 16. And the next we have 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3 times 3. Now after that, what we have to do, we have to find out the common multiples. So what are the common multiples in this? So the common multiples we are having are these two. Okay, so the next common number we are having is 3 and this 3. Okay, in this case you need not to check whether all these three numbers are having the common values or not. So if you're getting any number that is common in two values, so you also take into account as consider those that number as your common multiple, right? So these are the common values that we are getting. So write the common. So from here we are having 2 and then we are having 3, right? And the non-common multiples are, so these are our non-common multiples, which are this 2, 2, 2 and 3. So write it here, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, right? Now we just need to multiply all these numbers. So this will give me 6 times 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. And 24 times 6 will give me 144. So this is our final answer. So see, we are getting the same answer using the second method as we have gotten the answer using the first method, which is 144, right? I hope you have got the concept. Now let's moving on to the third method. Using a third method, how to find out the LCM. Okay, so this is 6, 16 and 18. Now we are going to find their factors. We are going to find the factors of all these three numbers simultaneously at the same time. So start it with the 2 times table. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 8 is 16, and 2 times 9 is 18. Now can we still solve these numbers using the 2 times table? Yes. So 3 does not comes on the times table of 2, so we just write 3 as it is. The next is 8. So 2 times what number is 8? 4. And 2 times what number is 9? So there is no such number, so just write 9 as it is, right? Next, again, can we still solve any of these numbers using the 2 times tables? Yes. So 3, write 3 as it is, then 2 times 2 is 4, and 9 as it is. Now again 2, so write 3 as it is. Why? Because 3 does not comes in a times table of 2, right? And 2 times 1 is 2, and write 9 as it is. Now there is no such numbers that can be divisible on a times table of 2, so we are going to increase the times table from 2 to 3. So 3 times 1 is 3, and this one is already there, so just shift it down, and 3 times 3 is 9. Now again solve it. So write these ones as it is down, and 3 times 1 is 3. So we have to keep on solving the question unless we are getting the ones, all these values converted into 1 at the bottom, right? Okay, so here we have done the question. Now multiply all these factors and see, all these factors are your prime numbers. So simply multiply them 2 times 2 times 2. So there are 3 numbers of 2, 4 number of 2's, and there are 2 3's. 3 times 3. So now simply multiply them. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 3 times 16 is 48, and 48 times 3 is 144. So here we have done a question. So we have solved how to find out the LCM of one particular question using the 3 different methods, and we get the same answers. Now it is up to you, the method you find easy, just adopt that method and have a good grip on this concept. I hope you have got the concept. So here comes to an end of our today's session. Stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling, and thank you once again guys for watching and learning here. Keep learning and stay safe out there. See you after.